have no right, bro.
You better get back over here right now.
On September the 4th, 2022, at approximately 11:32 a.m., officers with the Columbus Division of Police were dispatched to the location of a vacant garage on a call that the garage was being used for illegal narcotics activity.
Yes, I was wanting to see if I can report the people moved out of this house at 406 South Harris Avenue, and in the back of it, I think they took over as a drug house. There's been so many people going in and out there.
Okay. Now, is this like in the backyard, or is this like going on inside the house?
Inside the garage, in the back.
An officer arrived on scene and located several individuals inside the garage. While he was waiting on backup to arrive, one of the individuals decided to run. That was a poor choice. One thing I would like to point out to the viewer is watch how this woman reacts after she's tackled by the officer. And then watch how her reaction changes once he asks her if she's injured. Based on her reaction, some might say she's pretending. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon.
And
Columbus Police. Sound off your end and let me see your hands.
150, would you mind backing up 104 on this?
What are you doing? Both your hands.
She's just calling saying she's
Two. How many more?
She's mad because we're not there. She's cussing everybody out.
Can I grab my shoes?
No. Come out here for now.
104 from Clement, Georgeville.
Thank you.
193. Can you send me your other cruiser? There's like 5 or 6 people in this garage.
All right, so I'm going to the car can start that way. 406 South Harris.
Hands out of your pockets.
Nothing in my pocket.
No, I said keep your hands out of your pockets.
All right, 8183, can you head that way?
Yeah, this is not your house.
We have permission to be here.
Who?
Miss Wanda gave us permission.
What are you doing in here?
Go look.
I'm gonna in a minute.
Okay, go look.
Stop being smart. Shut up.
You can't even mess with us right now.
Shut up.
You have no right.
Shut your mouth.
You have no right, bro.
You better get back over here right now.
Okay.
Turn over.
I'm sorry.
I got her, Harrison Wicklow.
I copy, got an app at Harrison Wicklow.
Put your hands behind your back.
153, can you head down there and help also?
There's still 4 or 5 people that are at the garage.
You hear me?
I copy, 4 to 5 people still inside the garage.
Don't move.
I know who the drug dealer is.
154 on the route.
Hello?
Copy.
My back.
190, admin.
Copy.
Code
193, go ahead and send a 24 my way.
Dude.
I copy. First car with you, let me know, please.
What are you running for? I told you. Stop!
Oh, I'm not doing anything. What are you talking about? I don't have nothing on me.
Because you probably pulled it out.
No, I swear to God, I didn't have anything on me when I came in.
What do you think, you gonna run from me?
I apologize, bro.
Sit up. Stay down.
Man.
You medic?
Yes.
I got one coming.
My back is killing me. Oh my god.
Stay.
Oh my god.
193, your medics are out. Are you injured or the
Well.
just re-injured?
A little bit of both.
Oh my god. My back. Oh my god, my back.
Stop.
My back, please don't push on it like that.
Stop
Please
moving.
don't push on my back. Can I lay down? Please
No.
can I lay down.
No. Oh yeah, lay on your side.
Oh god.
Stay on your side.
193, I'm sorry, didn't copy you.
Yeah, we both sustained a little bit of injury.
Okay, copy. S19, you copy.
Turn. Stay.
Why would you tell me to turn in it?
Stop.
I'm pressing charges on you.
Stop.
All right. You had no reason.
S19 other way.
Okay.
So there's 4 people. I did not clear it.
190. Okay, copy.
Oh my god.
Yeah. She took off running. She threw stuff out of her pockets.
193.
Can you repeat?
Oh
Do you need 2 medics over there?
my god.
Yeah, at the app location, Wicklow and Harris. She refuses to get up.
No, I did not.
Stand up.
Okay, I was asking, do you need 2 medics?
Oh my back.
One will be good. What is wrong with your back? You ran like a gazelle from me a minute ago.
My back.
Okay, lay there.
Oh.
The garage still needs cleared, you guys.
My god, my back.
Somewhere else.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. I can't even like this.
Stop.
Oh my god, there's something wrong with my back.
No, there's not.
Oh my god.
I got medics coming for you.
Oh my back in between my shoulder blades. Oh my god. Something's wrong. Oh.
Lay on your side.
Ow, I can't.
If you lay on your side, you won't have an issue. Just stay on your side
Oh my god.
so you can
oh my
breathe.
God, it hurts, it hurts so bad.
What hurts?
My back in between my shoulder blades. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god.
Hey, get out of the street. Thank you. Neither one of them are? Oh, that takes precedence. That's west side there. Huh?
In the car at the library.
He what?
He was in the car at the library.
Oh.
Yeah, he's doing much better today.
Well, you're still hanging out with weirdos. But thank you for not running, because she was stupid. She decided to run. Lay on your side so you can breathe. I keep telling you. Stay on your side.
Oh god.
Stay on your side.
You got me.
I don't have anything on her.
What's your name, dude? Don't lie to me, okay? What's your social?
Okay, I'm assaulted now. He just got out of the hospital this morning after being assaulted by the same person. So they're requesting a medic. And then
So,
Cynthia Stajan, he also
she came out second,
some water.
and she started going in her pockets, throwing stuff out. And she said,
Okay.
and she goes, I don't have to stay here. And I said, you do. And she took off running on me.
Why did you run?
All right, come on, medics are here. Can you come here? So,
Sit up.
we she ran from there. I caught up to her. We went to the ground here, cuffed her, and now she's saying her back hurts.
Oh my God!
Okay.
Please, please.
She lose consciousness?
No.
Okay. Are you guys hurt?
If you could just wash me out real quick, or I got some stuff.
Yeah,
I don't
I'll
know.
do it. I'll
I don't know what I got on my
too
knees.
for like BWC or whatever. I got you.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm gonna get my cruiser.
My leg is burning so bad.
Call your date of birth off the top of my head.
My leg is
The only thing that I'm seeing is a probation
fucking rocks out of my
violation
leg.
in Florida for a traffic offense. It's in state only, and a mask mandate,
Yes, there is.
which I don't think we can arrest on anyway.
Oh God.
It's city health.
She has to wear a mask?
violation. You know, like back when we enforced
Oh,
that,
yeah,
someone wrote her a ticket.
Oh my God!
I have some alcohol swabs and stuff in my
My
They're gonna do it for BWC.
Ah.
Hey, Jen,
My
Sure.
back.
Did we find anything in the?
I never went up.
Oh my God.
It's probably going to be a transport just because of the way she's acting.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I doubt your jail's going to take her. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Let me ask Sarge. Hey, Sarge.
The star of today's show was a woman named Brittany. Brittany was taken to a local hospital because of her complaint of back pain. She was then taken to Franklin County Jail on her warrants. She was refused at the jail, so the officers then transported her to another hospital and released her with a new court date.